Oh yeah, Professor Mário's class tonight. Biochemistry shining bright. Grab your boots, grab your hat, proteins in the dance, imagine that. Primary chain amino by amino, like bells on a string, we call it primo. Secondary twist, helix, so shit for this whole fight. Man, that's neat. Tertiary shape, 3D romance. Quaternary partners join the dance. Feel the cowboys hop to the rodeo stage. Rotates of the stars on the center page.
Proteins that keep me alive. Enzymes transport, they help me survive. From my muscles to my head, from my blood to my soul. With proteins in my body, I feel whole.
Hemoglobin rides with oxygen tight. Albumin carries molecules through the night. Collagen strong, keratin hair. Antibodies fight with country flair. Hormones whisper, signals flow. Without proteins, love won't grow. Simple or conjugated fibers around in the barn of life. Proteins are found.
But if it gets wild, I lose my fold. Denaturation story gets told. Clients misfold diseases and life. Country science keeps me fine.
Some place translation too. Underneath singing under the moon. Tiana dancing, codons tonight. Polypeptide chain feels so right. Purifying lab, separate mechanical chromatography. Relum feels the air markers in blood. Diagnosis called proteins, my darling, they do it all. Proteins, they keep me alive. Structure and function, they help me survive. From the ranch to the lab, let the knowledge roll. With Professor Mario's country, I rock my soul. Proteins, yeah. Love and science make me whole. Come on.